Hello everyone. Hello. It's your girl, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, today I want to talk about what they go on ever since for social media. What they go on for this hookup things, for this German first lady and this lady when the hookup when she say na so the thing not can work out. So I dey see wetin dey go on, wetin everybody just dey talk. Many they say hookup no good, many people no go hook up again, hookup dey bad. But I don't see wetin hookup cause for you, my people. I don't really, if you ask me, he hook the woman up. He no cause any problem wetin make the marriage not come work out. I no can understand wetin make people they say hook up no good. My people, if anybody hook you up, anybody hook you up, you before you plan marriage with that person, make sure say two of una do jogodo. Make sure say una do enter Jerusalem before anything. Before una go dey plan marriage. Not be tomorrow you come say the walking stick. E no dey stand well. My people, what you do that time? There go be problem now. That woman, I blame her well. Because how somebody go hook you up, the next thing you just go the plan marriage. You not even come, say me you go see the guy, you get document, the guy not get, fine. You get to go Italy, you not go. You come from UK, that they plan marriage. Then the guy come dey Italy there, you know, if he come see you. Why you not go see him? May you test John Thomas, whether the John Thomas they stand, you not go. The next thing where you do, not to the plan marriage. The next thing, you buy tickets from Italy, from UK, you go Nigeria. In buy tickets from Italy, in go Nigeria. Then when I can't reach there, before you can't test the walking stick. Okay, when you can't test the walking stick now, you can't say the thing not the work. You can't still go the plan marriage. You say you know feel disappoint your family again. When you don't already test something, you say the thing not the stand way. You not gonna say that one don't drink medicine tire for Italy there. They spoil the John Thomas. You not gonna know. You can't see the plan marriage with them. You plan marriage finish now, the thing not gonna work out again. Now the same thing. If una want still do, the John Thomas go make really, they get up. Now only to the you now understand. I don't want pull mats. Only that one I can say our oga can do for her. But that one not fit satisfy you. That one not go fit. You understand? Okay, now I don't know what it can cause the problem now. When you now can go the call for another platform, they insult a German first lady. You can't they insult her. You say the hookup when they do for you, no good. Now she spoil them. Now she do this. Now they see many things where they go on. When many people they say now so, wanna not go hook up again. Hook up not good. Who tell you say hook up not good? Who tell you when they talk say hook up not good? Hook up good. Not be everybody get time so they toast woman they go for road. Not be everybody. Some people they work Monday to Friday. That's when they work from Monday to Friday. I want to get time till they toast they go. You don't get that time. I believe say now when they even get work, now they even get time till they toast till they go. Because when they work, some they work for Sunday, they work on Sunday. When the time they, you don't get time to take call. To the toast women they go. You don't get where the time they, my people. One they use man they spoil hook up, na so hook up no good. Hook up good, my dear. Hook up good. Hook up don't help many people. It don't help many people. It don't not be everybody feel get mighty toast woman. Not be everybody. I don't always they talk this thing. When I go they feel maybe na pride or that. No. Some people not fit. They don't get that zeal, they don't get that mind to say me they will toast woman. Maybe if they ever excuse woman, they don't fit talk with it, they want to talk again. You understand? So I don't know why when I come they use mouth, say this boy hook up no good. Hook up good. Who told us hook up no good? It good. When I they use mouth they spoil them again, no good. If that woman, I don't know what happen. In with German first, they didn't get problem. You understand? That one say make she can't swear. If he say he put life for his head. So nobody know what happen. What happen to them? Only way for where I don't like what the German first they do. If I not bring the woman, bishops come out. If I not bring the woman, children come out. Now let them miss say do wrong thing. The rest things are not see bad thing when you do. For me, I don't know, but I don't know about you, but for me, I don't know whether only the bad thing when they do not to bring the woman children come out. Now this woman I don't bring her face come out. It's all social media now don't carry her. This are not be say you popular now. You popular for bad thing. Now your name now, this woman now your name come the rain for everywhere now for social media. Your name now the rain now. And according to some videos, some live video we watch, it did different. Some say you don't fair call them before, you lie. Some say now lie, now you did lie. So nobody know who want to believe again. Whether we believe German first lady or maybe we believe you, we not come know again. So my people, this one not be anybody fault, not the woman fault. If they hook you up, now make they talk on any hook up where you go. Before you plan marriage with that person, make sure say 12 now. You with the man, una don't jogodo. Make sure say una don't enter Jerusalem wella. Because may you know whether the thing they stand. Because some of Italian men, some where they do intro, some don't use a medicine they kill their John Thomas. All those medicine where they drink, they'll say that they read that time. When they're young, they'll say that they use until they spend 100 hours on top of woman. Now it costs all those things for their body. Where they say many of them they are John Thomas, you know they work. So my people, when I not drink all those medicine, no, I beg. No, I don't let anybody advise now because that medicine don't you not good there. It don't destroy so many people. Today now, so many people now they are John Thomas. You know they stand. They have to use hand take the whole hand. Don't be lie, oh. Many they are John Thomas not they work again because of that medicine where they drink long time ago. You understand? So if you be and you where they wash me now, I beg. If you baby man where they wash me now, no go try ya. Say you want go drink any medicine they sleep with any woman. I beg. Because now very, very bad thing. That medicine. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. You know good at all. That medicine are destroy. It they destroy. It don't make many people now that are John Thomas. Maybe like that man drink now will be say he John Thomas now you know the stand again, don't spoil. Maybe now he drink that time. Now that woman not will fit. Because without Jogodo, what's it gonna be marriage? My people. Without Jogodo, marriage not the work out now. You know if you work out. So if anybody hook you up with anybody, I beg my people, make sure say you try the man first. Make you see whether you John Thomas the stand. Make sure say before you enter Jerusalem, make sure say if another you know when you don't day Israel, you want cross to Jerusalem. Fair make sure say you fair look at first. Whether the John Thomas they stand way. If not, you will enter one chance. So like the way that was started, enter one chance now. Because that one have one chance. You will enter one chance. Later on, come they blame person will hook you up. Person will hook you up. You want follow you go to sleep with the person. You not follow you go to do one now. He hook you up. Make sure for look whether the relationship, whether you go work out. You not say make you go to do both marry first before now go jogodo. No. That one not possible. Make sure say you try the man first. Maybe what happen to this our sister may not go happen to you. Hook up, not be bad thing. Hook up, not be anything bad. Where people just they come out anybody for live video. Hook up not good though. Mona not go hook up. Who tell you say hook up not good? Who tell you? If you know what happen for that woman? Now the person who can help, and spoil a relationship. Not be she by herself spoil our relationship. Now she by herself. Because you know say you not tell something, you go they do them. Then the next thing now come they blame person where who can up. When I don't they blame anybody where who can up again. I beg. So now this short video I just want to do for this topic. So my people, if you see this video, share it for me, share it, and subscribe, and share the video and like my video. So thank you everybody and take care. Till I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. Bye.